Raspberry, say hi. Yep. Hi. You're only 3 months old. And you're this big. Look how big they are. And they have a roommate. This little chica right there. Pita. Her name is Pita. And then there's Blueberry up there playing with his toys. This is supposed to be a bird cage, but now it's a turtle cage. Mickey or Minnie, I don't really know which is which. Come here. Come here, Tigger. Tigger. And there's Pikachu. Where's the other one? Oh. And this is Thunder. Oh god, he bites. Warning, warning. Mango, because it looks like a mango. And Sophie! Hi, Sophie! Mango's girlfriend. Are you happy now? You got a girlfriend? The others died. So that's his, like, 3rd, 4th girlfriend. And here's the, oh my god, wild birds. And there's Romo trying to eat them. Hi, Romo. Hi.